Welcome back to my channel, gang. Alright, gang, today we can do reaction to Eminem, Cold Wind Blows. This was my first time ever hearing this, gang, so you know I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You will get notified every time I post. Make sure you follow all my social media. It's gonna be down in the description below. And look, I'm about to get right into it.
Poppin' that big body, poppin' that dark out black, he don't know who shot it. Too many rats can't fit in no water. Double cup, fill him up, my shit poppin', that bitch gon' fuck with whoever pop.
Alright, guys, I got one disclaimer. I need y'all to do me one favor. I need y'all to subscribe to my lifestyle channel. It will be down in the description below because all the videos that y'all have been requesting from me that's not a reaction will be on that channel, and I promise you do not want to miss it. With that being said, gang, you already know what I'm gonna say. What am I gonna say? We're not gonna judge it. Why? Because we do not know what to expect. With that being said, I'm about to get right into it.
It's better when they stay the same. Although the whole world knows your name, so on the bigger stage they came to see you spit your game. Oh, it shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game, cold as ice. You remain, fuck them all, tell them all, eat shit. Here we go again.
You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch, dog. Fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fucker the sick. Yo, I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy, bitch, you don't fucking dick.
Bro, he talking crazy. I'm not gonna lie, he talking crazy as hell, bro. And it's so crazy because the way the wordplay he uses, like, it's self-explanatory if you know what he's trying to say, but it's like, oh man.
Fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fucker the sick. Yo, I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy, bitch, you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick, dummy. You get your butt kicked, fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny, shorty dance while I diss it to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve, sucker.
This man, he said, shorty dance to the beat while I diss you. What the fuck? What, bro? Like, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's wild. That's wild to tell a girl dance to this beat while I'm finna diss your ass. That's crazy.
Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny, shorty dance while I diss it to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve, sucker. Motherfucker, might as well let my lips buckle like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. The shit is on, cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a
Wait, y'all. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Ain't Elton John gay? And I'm not laughing at it. I'm just trying to make sure I'm catching the bar right because he said, I might as well pucker my lips up like I'm Elton John because I'm a big cocksucker. That's wild, y'all. That's a wild one right there. I ain't expect that.
my lips buckle like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. The shit is on, cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So pop the Buddha, light a bomb. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I inspire you to write a song. Come on.
Hold up.
I'm as cold.
Who are you talking about?
Blows.
He said, take a look at Mariah the next time I inspire you to write a song. Who you talking about? The only person I can think about is Nick Cannon. Y'all let me know in the comments if that's who you talking about.
Nose in this 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Blow, blow, blows, blow, blow, blows.
Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks. I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around.
Hey.
Motherfucker, I'll show you pussy footing. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot cause I hate a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy cheese.
Oh my god. He dropping bars on bars, but that shit is crazy. Call me a faggot because I hate pussy. Oh my god. Yo. Dang. Hey, he dropping bars, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
You're pushing, you must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot cause I hate a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy, cheese up. All you gardeners freeze up. Put your hoes down. Shady, ease up. And chill. Nah, I can't, goddammit. Rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit, the day that happens, the world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. During an earthquake, urine in your face cause you're fake. Ah, what the fuck? That hurt, wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit, gotta give up. Call it evil that men do. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can repent, but I warn you if you continue, to hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said, oh, oh, oh,
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blow, blow, blows, blow, blow, blows. Oh, 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 oh.
how long will I be this way? Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went long. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass in a link thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, on the words of the song.
He is so funny, bro. Like, oh my God. Okay, apparently this was, I guess they say this song dropped like 13 years ago. He's a fucking menace, bro. He was a fucking menace 13 years ago. Man, still a menace to this day. Like, God damn. He be saying some crazy shit. I think, like, it's funny as hell to me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't take nothing. Like, somebody asked me in my comment the other day, something like, do I take offense to some stuff he say? No, I think it's funny. That's just me. That's just me. I don't care what nobody say. I can't speak for everybody else, but me personally, I think what he be saying. Half the time it be funny to me. I ain't gonna lie. And half the time, a lot of stuff he say a lot of people might get mad by it, but a lot of times it's just the way he might. It's the delivery. Half the time, it's not a bad thing that he's saying. It's the delivery problem.
The mic and it's time for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went long. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass in a link thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, on the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a
Oh my God! He said I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drown. Y'all, he better tell y'all, fuck y'all. I'm not being nice to y'all motherfuckers. I'm not being, cause that shit ain't never happened, y'all. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. Damn,
this
why you fuck with
that, on the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't
Why don't Eminem fuck with women, y'all? Because this man talk so crazy, it's funny.
like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll so low, so don't compare me to the mother bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy, cut off the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spit out a
He said, if you try to diss me, I swear I will slaughter you. And I put that on everything, just like everybody put, just like auto-tune. Back in the, I'm not gonna lie, back then, around the time, motherfuckers was using auto-tune for everything. Like, putting auto-tune on everything. Even if the shit didn't sound good. So that's a bar for sure, y'all. Hard.
I'm and say I was writing this, and I thought of you, so
Oh, 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 oh. I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blow, blow, blows, blow, blow, blows. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know what caused, I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know, but I'll probably be this way till my dying day. I don't know why I'm so cold, mean things I don't need to say. I guess this is how you made me.
No, the part that got me, y'all, he said, I don't know why I'm this way. I say mean, basically like saying mean things to people, y'all. Oh, yeah. And that I can relate to because I've been told like I'm a mean person, but I'm not a mean person. People don't like that I'm bluntly honest. I say, that's why I think I probably like Eminem because That's how I am. I don't give a fuck. I say what I gotta say. A lot of times, I would just rather tell the truth. You know, I'm gonna tell the truth. It might hurt your feelings. I'm just bluntly honest, and I say whatever comes to my mind. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all. A lot of times, I'd be surprised. I'd be just as surprised as somebody else by what come on my mouth. Sometimes I'd be like, damn, Ty, you ain't have to say that word. Like, damn. I really be dead ass surprised because I don't think about what I be saying. Sometimes I just say it. Especially when I'm in a moment, I just say it. And a lot of times they do kind of land me in a bad spot because people think I'm being mean or I'm being rude. But in all reality, I'm just being real. Hey, I ain't gonna say too much, gang. If y'all got anything else y'all want me to react to, if y'all got anything else y'all want me to react to, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna try to react to it. With that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You will get notified every time I post. Make sure you follow all my social media. It's gonna be down in the description below. And look, I'm out.